shape. It's a big frame and it has a logo at the back with Chanel gold logo, and this is a black gold in gray radiant. I just love this huge frame because I know it will fit on my face. So this is so cute with this Chanel logo on the side. And now look how beautiful this Chanel sunglasses, and I just love this cute Chanel logo on the side in gold color. It has also a serial number, and this sunglasses is made from Italy. I love this rectangular shape, a big frame, and I know because big frames are really fits on my face. So now I'm gonna try it, and wow, it's really gorgeous, and I just love this. It really amazing. It looks good on my face. I have a big face, and yeah, it's really fits on my face. I love this one. So guys, what do you think? And now I can wait for spring and summer so I can match my sunglasses with my different outfit. I just love this and very stunning. So guys, if you like this type of videos like unboxing, reviews, hauls, different kind of beauty, fashion, lifestyle, go ahead, subscribe down below and consider subscribing my channel, and also don't forget to hit notification bell so you guys are notified every time I have uploaded video, and please don't miss on any of them. Don't forget to click the bell. And again guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, see you on my next video. Bye.